Hi, yesterday for your lesson, you should have finished your research for a person that you want to nominate for the Giraffe Heroes Award. And to do that, you were using this paper and evaluating people that you researched for the giraffe criteria that was listed up here. And then when you found someone that met all of the criteria and didn't have anything in the criteria not met box, you need to select them and list your main reasons why so you can start an outline for your essay today. So in your essay, you're persuading the reader with reasons why they should award the person you chose with the Giraffe Award and why they deserve to win that award. So you can use the outline that is provided to you in your blue packet. It's on page 4. And today I'd like you to focus on writing a claim and your 3 reasons and then start writing some evidence. Try and get at least half done today, and then you can finish the other half tomorrow. And then on Monday, we'll start typing it up. On the lesson page for today on Canvas, it walks you through the steps for writing out your claim and your reasons. There's an example claim here, a claim sentence starter, but you don't have to use the exact wording here. This is just to get you started. And then for your reasons, I suggest listing 3 criteria that the person you chose met. That is what I did in the outline example I have right here. So I also have that up right here. So this is an example outline I wrote using Ralph Flowers, who is the same example in your packet. So my claim is Ralph Flowers should be awarded the Giraffe Award for his outstanding contributions to black bear conservation. So I have who I want to win the award, and then I have my why. And then the why is further outlined in your reasons. So each of my 3 reasons is a criteria he met. So he took risks, and then for my evidence, I go into detail about both the personal and financial risks he took. And then he promoted peace, and I go into detail in the evidence for that. And then he went beyond the requirements of his job, and then I give specific details about that in my evidence. So for your reasons, again, pick 3 criteria that the person you chose met. For your outline, it does not have to be complete sentences like part of my outline is. I made it very detailed so it'd be clear as an example, but as you're filling yours out, it is to help you prepare to write your essay, so a few words that remind you what you want to write about is sufficient. So again, today come up with a claim and then your 3 reasons, and then start writing in some evidence for the evidence that supports those reasons you came up with. When you are done completing at least half of your outline, please go back to the assignment, assignment page in Canvas and complete this pre-writing check. It's a 3-question Google form that lets me know where you're at and if you need any help completing your pre-writing for this assignment.